Hi, and welcome to the Privoro portal first-time login. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the URL portal.privoro.com. Enter your email address in the field provided. I'll be using a demo address for our purposes today, and click Login. This will bring you to the portal login page, which should autofill your email address. If it doesn't, go ahead and enter it. Then, enter the temporary password. This was included in the account activation email you received from the Privoro system administrator. Then, click Login again. Since this is the first time you're logging into the portal, you will be required to set up two-factor authentication. The authenticator app you will want to use is called Free OTP. It is available in the Apple App Store or Google Play. Download and follow the app setup. The app will ask if you want to scan a QR code or enter a code. You're going to scan the QR code. It will present you with a 6-digit code. Enter that code in this field here. Then click Submit. You are now in the Privoro portal. From here, you can create new users, assign Privoro devices to users, add groups, set policies, and more.